Approaching Roberts Island by boat, the green cabin emerges like a modern sentinel, blending effortlessly with its rugged surroundings. The journey begins at a weathered dock nestled among rocky outcrops, where the existing cottage rests slightly elevated, framed by the shimmering expanse of Georgian Bay. The untouched wetland and a dense treed perimeter form a natural sanctuary, lending the site a serene, almost timeless quality. The green cabin, designed by Daymark Design Incorporated, carries forward this spirit while offering a contemporary touch that reimagines the seasonal retreat for generations to come. The cabin's west-facing facade is a masterpiece of thoughtful design. Expansive glazing dominates the wall, inviting the lake's breathtaking beauty into the living space. The windows are framed with precision, adhering to zoning bylaw requirements while respecting the privacy of neighboring properties. A sleek steel drip edge, both functional and elegant, contours the window perimeters, directing rainwater away and preserving the cabin's standing seam metal skin. This seamless design merges roof and walls into a single, cohesive form, an homage to modern minimalism that nods to the property's historical palette. In contrast, the south and east elevations take a more subdued approach, tucking into the tree line and whispering harmony rather than commanding attention. Natural ash cladding defines a modest bump out, punctuated by small awning-style windows that open to allow cooling breezes. These thoughtfully placed apertures act as intimate portals to the surrounding wilderness, framing glimpses of rustling leaves and distant wildlife. The east elevation's modified hip roof converges into a skylight, creating a subtle architectural flourish. Here, the cabin's design celebrates the interplay of light and shadow, offering an intriguing perspective from a connecting deck walkway that winds through the trees. Together, the green cabin and its surroundings form a cohesive dialogue between architecture and nature. It honors the rugged beauty of Roberts Island while offering a fresh perspective on seasonal retreats. From its dramatic west-facing views to the quiet embrace of its wooded elevations, the cabin becomes not just a dwelling but a living testament to the balance of innovation and tradition. It promises to be more than a retreat. It's a place where memories will be made, shaped by the dance of light on water and the whisper of wind through the trees.